Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and I'm going to share to you guys how to add an automatic signature to an email on Outlook. So, first things first is how did I get here? So, I clicked on the settings of Outlook, and then this automatically popped up. And then I clicked on the signature section, and I'm going to add a new signature. So, for example, I'm going to add So I'm gonna add signature 3, and then I'm going to add my signature below right here. So for example, best regards, Rose, and then the company name. So for example, YouTube. And then my job position. And then email, how they're going to contact me. And phone number. And that is the signature. So best regards, Rose, YouTube, so tutorial details, the email, and the phone number. So this is just an example, but you could customize it however you want and put your information um, in whatever format, but this is the format I'm showing today. So after that, I'm going to click save. So now that it's saved, I'm going to go down here and it says select default signature for new messages. So I want to do signature 3. And for replies and forwards, I also want to do signature 3, which is this one. And after I look that everything looks correct and I spelled everything right, I click save. So now that it's saved, I'm going to check and see if it went through, and it did. So here's it automatically showed up. So that is how to add an automatic signature to an Outlook email. And that is the end of the tutorial.